This video tutorial I will explain what are path parameters. Path parameter. In that path is the location of the resource and parameter is the value that you can set. It is kind of variable. In this URL, HTTPS is the protocol, example.com is the domain name, and after slash student slash John slash grades. This part is the path, which is nothing but location of a resource. And after question mark, here you can see the query string. If we send a request using this URL, we will get the response, and response will contain grade detail of the student John. And here John is the path parameter. Suppose if you want to get grade detail of Peter, instead of John, here we have to send Peter. So in this case, this part is the path parameter. And like query string, it does not have key and value. It is only value. Now we will see path variable example. Go to this openlibrary.org, come down, click on API documentation, click on list and click on get list of a user, and here you can see the URL. And when you send request using this URL, we will get this response, and this response is related to the user George08, and in this URL the path variable is this part George08. We will see that. Copy this URL, paste here, click on send, select JSON, and here we got the response which is related to the user George08, and this is path variable value. We will change to Peter, and we will see what happens. Click on send, and it does not provide any output. So this is the example of path parameter. So like we have seen, this part is path variable, right? And we can do like this, colon username. And once we does, here you can see it appears path variable section, and key is the username, and here we can provide the value. Value I will provide George08, and when I send this request, automatically Postman will assign George08 in this place, and it sends the request. So this is the path parameter value. Click on send, and here we got the response which is related to the user George08, and click on console. Here you can see the console. Here you can see the request URL, and here you can see the colon username is replaced by George08 by the Postman application before sending the request to the server. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.